Well, g'day curd nerds. Today we're going to have an update for the Farmhouse Cheddar Blue. I want to see what it looks like. It's been going for about, I would say, 2 months and 1 week so far. So its maturation period is for 3 months. So I've wiped the inside of the container just for demonstration purposes, and we'll just have a quick look on what it looks like inside. So there's a bit of moisture still in the container, but we can see there, just get that out of the way. Right, we can see here that it is covered in blue mould growth. There's a little bit of brown mould too, a little bit of white mould on the outside, but that's all fine. So there's no squishy bits, it's very firm all the way around. So nice and solid cheese. You can just see the holes that I've poked into it, and I think this is coming along nicely. I'm not too worried about the rind. I'm going to scrape a fair bit of that off when it's mature in about 3 weeks time, but as it stands now, seems to be going very well. I've kept the ripening container fairly dry, and hopefully there's some blue mould marbling on the inside. If not, no big deal, because it's going to be a very good farmhouse cheddar by the time we finish with it. Anyway, like I said, just a quick update on the Farmhouse Cheddar Blue. Don't forget that I also do a podcast weekly on Wednesday mornings my time here in Melbourne, and you can find the link for that in the description below. Don't forget that you can buy kits over at littlegreenworkshops.com.au that you can make this cheese with. Also, this show is supported by patrons. Don't forget that you can support the show for as little as $1 a week, and all proceeds go to us keeping the show running every week. Anyway, that's all I've got for now. Thanks for watching, curd nerds, and I'll see you next time.